given Yana Popolo Javana China Caribbean. Okay, what Bishop Dr. Nekanzepesi Kangwagi Zuku Anamasikedu Bosim Mesugin Zukuneze Kangwagi Baby Ponine. Onaro elevenkita na nodu kesa mi vedenkita ma China Caribbean Bishop Kodugu nekata na inya cross aka na to nsiba ni lukwe neluo maka na enwelibo na abo ene dika na tayo tu ikonko China Caribbean igbagu dinka ki igbachalu dinka ona abo mfoge icheti bai na gulu na chiri fada eye mesere ba ba ndigiri go ko ke di do ye me muna hipo ma ko de ba kene o chiri fada
NDAIT what can you correct?
Wonderful honor. Mike. That's why we decided to work for it going on. So the Igbo Catholic community has decided to give this certificate in recognition of a general performance in the world. What really is Nigeria? And we feel that this is to make you to continue your performance. Sure. That is all. Your performance should spread to all Our performance is walking to all areas of the world. And that is very, very important. All of us here, otherwise we will not see it. So, I want to congratulate you that our wonderful president, the lawyer of his family, have decided with our sister that we should do this. I don't know you, but by their representation, they know who you are. And I should also claim that I know who you are. So we give you this certificate in appreciation of what you do. What you do. Thank you very much.
China Caribbean. Bali Bastards. I'm back in the most.
Respond to at the same time.